guys, today we'll be looking at the Everly After box. These boxes are focused around mind, body and spirit, and each month the boxes are on a different theme. This month this is the March Moon box. Subscription boxes from these guys are $39.95 a month and they have a minimum retail value of $70. Anyway, let's take a look. Okay, so inside the box we have a little piece of paper at the top here that tells us everything that's in the box. I love when they include these. It's hard guessing what's what. So let's have a gander. First up we have a little piece of paper telling us about how to care for your crystals, washing your crystals, cleansing, setting your intention and charging your crystals. Next we have a little cardboard with the lunar moon phases for the southern hemisphere for 2019. It tells you when is a full moon, a waning moon, a new moon, etc. Cool. Alright, so the first actual item we've got is the Moonology book by Yasmin Boland. You can learn all about the phases of the moon and how to work with them. Soft cover. Pretty cool. Alright, what do we have here? This looks to be a candle. It's a lunar candle by Dreamy Moons. No, it is a Moonstone candle by Everly After. An eco-friendly candle with subtle scents of patchouli, frankincense and myrrh, lavender, lemon, cyclamen and sandalwood, topped off with a moonstone crystal chips and biodegradable glitter. Oh wow. Smells pretty good. Next up we have a sachet of Lunar Latte by Nutra Organics. It's a vegan certified organic aromatic vanilla latte with soft floral notes for a peaceful slumber. I've never heard of such a thing. Moon milk. Oh, you mix it with milk to help you drift off to sleep. Yeah. Here we have a handmade soap. A moon face soap cake by Handmade Soaps, jam-packed with natural goodness consisting of cold-pressed olive oil, organic coconut oil, jojoba oil, activated charcoal, sea clay, patchouli, clove and mandarin essential oil. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's beautiful faces on the face of it. Cool. Next we have a crescent moon magnet, a beautiful black moon full of black and multicolored holographic glitter. So it's obviously a magnet that can go in the fridge. Pretty nice. And next we have the crystal. There's two crystals in this bag. One is a natural moonstone crystal and the other one is a rainbow moonstone crystal. I'm not sure how I'm supposed to tell which is which, to be honest. They're rather small, but they'll do the job. And I think that's it. Yep, that's it for this month's Everly After box. As you can see, it's all about moon and lunar phases. Everything in here is moon based. If you're into that kind of thing, witchcraft and astrology, you really enjoy this box. Anyway guys, thanks for having a look. Bye.